Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add sticky header background color for transparent header in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using transparent header. Now you see on screen, and when we scroll down, now you see transparent header. You don't see any content. So we are going to add background color on sticky header. On scrolling, on top you see customize, so open it. So we are going to add custom CSS, and then in additional CSS, so click on it. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. And then you see background gray, so you can add color scheme according to requirement. So we are going to add background color for sticky header. So click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page, and now scroll down. You see background color on sticky header. Our header is transparent, but we scroll down. You see sticky header background color by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.